Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's video. So we're going to be working on Project Slate behind me here, and this is going to be kind of the first video of some preliminary exterior, I guess restoration is the best way to put it. So as you can see here, this is my 2001 Ram 3500, and what we're going to be doing today is pretty much going over a lot of the small stuff on the outside that's easily fixable that I really just haven't had time to do. I've been working a lot on the actual suspension or getting the truck kind of ready to be towed, to tow things. And I'm waiting on some other parts to show up right now, specifically my e-brake cable and some headlights and a couple other things, the bulbs, not the actual lights themselves. And the reason for that is just I'm trying to get the car to the track soon, and I figure while we have this opportunity, we're going to go ahead and use it, just some downtime on a lazy Saturday, go ahead and kind of clean this thing up a little bit. As you know, we've been working on the interior a crap ton recently, and it looks a million times better than when I first got this truck. I mean, the interior is pretty much where I want it. There's a couple little things I need to do here and there, but for the most part, I mean, it's good to go for what it is. The exterior, on the other hand, is another story. It really does look like crap. There's a lot of this going on, just like small stuff. There's a lot of dings in the truck. I'm not doing body work this time around. This is gonna eventually, I want to eventually repaint this truck and get it up to where it was. However, I don't have the ability to do that right now. I mean, I've done some touch up here and there, but it is what it is. This wasn't me. I basically just did the top area here. Inside the bed, I got some rust reformer going on right before. I'm gonna go ahead and vinyl line this at some point. So that's kind of the plan for the interior of the bed. So we're gonna bring the black all the way up to here, which will really bring this area a lot better. Because it's such a low truck, it's very high visibility and looks like crap. I took that thing off because it is some protection, but I mean, the top area was so beat up, as you can see. It really made the tailgate look way worse than it already does, which is not great to begin with. So that's pretty much the overview. What we're gonna mostly be focusing on today is possibly some of the mirrors. I'm kind of done with the moose look. I want to go ahead and run these flat, but I think something that looks really good is when this part of the mirror is paint matched. So we might be doing that. These are gonna get replaced anyway because I want power mirrors. These are manual. And I also want that side's glass is cracked, so I don't mind experimenting on these at all. So we might try paint matching these today. The bumper has this gnarly gap in it, and I don't think it's been in a wreck or anything. On the back side, there's a couple supports that I think are just out of place. So we're gonna loosen those up and try and see if we can get this bumper realigned back up to where it's supposed to be. This bull bar has seen better days. It really does look like crap. There's a lot of like just paint messed up, and it really does look kind of crappy. So we're gonna go ahead and repaint the plastics black. This, I don't know what came from the factory. I think it might have been gray. We're gonna do this black anyway. Not sure about these inserts yet, if I can get to that or not. The bull bar is getting painted black. Eventually I'm gonna get a new grill, and we're gonna go ahead and get a black grill with black inserts, no cross or anything, but that's a little bit down the road. What else? Same thing on this side there. Today, if we're feeling like it, I might pull these guys off because they really don't go with the rest of the truck and look kind of crappy. Well, the other thing is this one's really bad. There's actually some rust going on behind here, and I want to save these doors. I do not want to have to buy new doors, so I might go ahead and just pull these off, sand that, and then hit it with some white spray paint like obviously the previous owner did, one of the previous owners. Other than that, we still have body, like this stuff is going to be plastic welded. I just don't have time to do that yet. Around the back side, I want to get rid of this thing because it looks like crap. The tailgate's probably going to get repainted with spray paint sooner than later because it really does look crappy. Go ahead and paint these. That tail lights, I want to get new ones eventually, but for right now they're good enough. They work. First, going to give it a good wash. It's not going to clean much up at all. Have the power washer out, clean up the inside, and then once it's dry, you can go ahead and tape up a lot of this stuff and start on the front end. So kind of a long video ahead of us, at least a long day for me. I don't know about you guys. We'll see how the time lapse works out, but I think she's gonna look pretty good when she's done. As far as this area, if I can get this off, I will, and I'll just leave it white. But if I can't, then it is what it is. We're just gonna have to, we'll just deal with it. It's not a big deal. So without further ado, let's get rolling. All right, she's all cleaned up. Definitely not anywhere near what I would consider detailed, but it is what it is. She's got some pretty atrocious paint, but no biggie. Anyway, so what we're gonna do now while everything else is drying, You go ahead and try and figure out this bumper gap issue right there. And then as you can see from the front end, the bull bar is definitely bent. I tried banging it with a sledgehammer a little while ago, it didn't do anything. So I don't think there's anything I can do about that. I might take this off in the future, we'll see, I don't know yet. And then interior wise, I went ahead and cleaned it up pretty good. Definitely looking all right. Not too shabby. Give a good vacuum, wiped everything down, windows and all that. Just looking good. Definitely looking good. So as you can see, we got everything taped up. Wasn't able to get to that bumper. It turns out there's a lot more bolts down there than I realized. It's not just a slight adjustment, so I'm just not going to worry about it for now. Went ahead and stopped the time lapse just because it was taking forever to tape this thing up. It's a lot more than I thought there was going to be, but we finally got it. So let's go ahead and paint this thing up. Hopefully it'll look a lot better. I think it came out really well. It definitely brings the front end of this truck, kind of helps it make it look way nicer than it used to. Definitely a big fan of the black. And so next up, I think what we're gonna go ahead and do is actually hit up these mirrors. So the idea is I want to be able to have them down like that. And then I think it's gonna look great if this whole area is white. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, this is the preliminary white. I haven't done the clear yet. I'm gonna do a gloss clear over top of it, but holy crap, I really like the way this thing is gonna look. Especially, I like the two-tone a lot right now because the bumper's black. It's not full color match like I was thinking I was planning on doing. So with the black there, keeping some black up here, a little bit on the windows, but just a little bit of contrast, I think is really gonna make this truck look great. So yeah guys, there we have it. Next up is going to be the clear coat, and this is nothing fancy. Again, if this doesn't work out, I have no problem swapping out these mirrors, but for right now, I think it looks pretty dang good. Alrighty guys, so this is pretty much the finished product on this one. Definitely the original plastic grooves are showing through a little bit, but that's fine. I don't really mind too much. The other side though, so I'm kind of pissed off because I know much better than this, but I did it anyway. I went on too thick with the clear, and it caused a little bit of reaction in here. This is for me trying to poke it because I was being stupid. But basically there's no way to fix this until after it fully cures, and then I can sand it and redo this particular area. However, we are going to be running mirrors down for the future because I really don't like the whole moose look. So this whole area is going to be hidden behind here anyway. It's really not that big a deal. The rest of the mirror came out great. So we're going to go ahead and untape the rest of this, and I'll give you guys one final reveal of this thing when it's all done. I can't go pushing these mirrors down until after I get after these cure a little more, because I don't want to leave handprints in them. Alrighty guys, so tell me what you think. I am actually really happy with the way this came out. The chrome on the bumper actually looks pretty good in contrast with everything. However, it definitely needs to get some polish going on, because now the chrome is becoming an eyesore when before it was eyesore to buy everything else. But guys, what do you think? Check out the mirrors though, they came out incredible. I'm so happy with this. So mirrors look great. Same thing with the other side. There we go. This contrast is like perfect. I could not have been more happier with this. I was really debating, a lot of the dudes do the full color matched mirror, so they'll do all the plastic and the caps, but because I'm keeping black on the front end, I think this works out really well. Like right there, like, come on now. So I really think this works out really well. It looks great. Trying to get all the angles in here. There you have it. I cannot wait to get the rest of this truck up to where I want it to be at. We are making some solid headway. Next up, we have some more maintenance going on in the truck, but I'm really happy to get a little bit of the visual touches that have been bugging me out of the way, making some solid progress on this thing. I also went with the black I used for the bumpers is a semi-gloss black, and the reason I went with that is because it really gives it like a brand new plastic look to it. so it's not like overly painted or anything like that. All these runs and everything in here were from whatever paint either came factory or was already on this bull bar, but it definitely touched it up and makes it look a million times better. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. All right, guys, this is gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'm gonna go ahead and roll a before and after real quick of this whole truck, because you've seen the original when I first got this. I'm also gonna link the video up here in the corner. So pretty much the worst part of the truck is by far the interior. So just a quick little sneak peek. Don't worry, we're fixing all this stuff, but driver's seat is kind of disintegrated. Passenger seat is kind of disintegrated. Dash is imploded. Don't worry, it's all fixable stuff. And then this is the after for comparison. So kind of, there you have it. So she is coming together. Real nice tow rig. Her dome lights back on. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.